Hey guys, it's Erica and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very exciting video for you. This package came in the mail. It's from GRL Beauty and I'm so excited to unbox it for you. They sent me some items to try out and I'm gonna give you my first impressions review of this. This is not sponsored. It is my own opinion. It has all of my information on the front here, which is why I'm showing you the back, but there is a sticker of their logo on the top. So I'm just gonna cut open where the tape is. Open it like, oh wow. Okay. So it has this card that came in front, really cute. I love the personalized touch. The business card feels super nice. I don't know what that is, but it's very smooth. There is some black fill in here. And inside, oh my goodness, this is gonna make a mess. Anyways, I don't want to ruin this packaging because it's so nice. So it says GRL. So they wrapped it in tissue paper. I want to be very delicate with this because it's so nicely packaged. I have the nude oil here. So after you wax or shave, you're supposed to put this on. It should soothe it. This is the Bare. It's to put on any blemishes. And the last item here is the Bloom. It's for your bust area to just make it a bit softer, you know. It's a nourishing oil, so that should be fun. I love the packaging of them. It's very nice. I love the matte finish of the sticker on it. It says here, all natural beauty essentials for women by women. So I love supporting fellow women. I am so excited to test out these products. I just shaved my legs. They are dry and my feet in general just dry because I haven't gotten a pedicure since the pandemic, so everything's looking a little off. So it works to reduce razor burn and ingrown hairs over time. It's supposed to soften the hair. The cap just gets removed like this. You just pop it off. I twisted it to open it. This greeny color. I'm just gonna put this all over my leg. Oh. So it's very smooth feeling. I'm not sure what that scent is. It's almost like a peppermint, but it feels nice on the leg. It's not too thick because some oils are very thick, but this isn't too bad. I feel like my skin will eventually absorb that. So I'm just gonna keep putting more all over my leg. So it only took me 4 pumps in total to do the bottom half of each leg, so 8 pumps in total. My leg is definitely feeling a lot more smooth. That feels very nice. That feels great. To close it back up, I just turn and it's closed and locked, which is really nice. I like that, so it won't leak. The next product that I'm going to show you is how the Bloom works, and it is the same type of cap where you just pop it off and twist it to open it. It works to improve the appearance of aging skin. So this one is more yellow. It's quite thin, has a nice citrus smell to it. Just gonna rub that in. It feels very nice actually. I'm gonna put some of that on my neck as well. And honestly, that feels very nice. Like this is perfect before bedtime. And the citrus smell is really calming for me. And I'll just rub the rest in my hands. So the next item is Bare. The benefit of this is that it works to reduce the appearance of blemishes. So to open this, it is a twist cap. And this is the first time I'm opening it, clearly. So normally I get blemishes on my forehead. So I'm just gonna show you that there, even though there's nothing, I know. But anyways, I'm just gonna place it where it normally would be. Like I have a little bit of like raised bumps, but they're very small. Anyway, so I'm just supposed to roll this directly on and that is it. So I'm just gonna tab it in. It's very light. It has more of like a woodsy citrus scent, but that just might be still on my hands from earlier. You don't really feel anything. It's soft to the touch as well. Alright, so that concludes the end of this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. One thing to note is that all of the products are natural, toxin-free, vegan, and that they are never tested on any animals. So that is absolutely amazing. I love that. Thank you so much to GRL Beauty for gifting me these products. I really enjoyed them and I cannot wait to continue using them. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to click on that like button, hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you're aware of when my next video goes live. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!